It's one of the big mysteries of biology. Why do we need to sleep? We would actually state we sleep to clean the brain, because cleaning the brain is not compatible by being awake. Do you ever wonder why we sleep? The brain is very special because the brain needs to do all the stuff we do when we're awake. It needs to receive information, it needs to make decisions, it needs to move our body around. The brain have actually had to make its own fluid production, and that's the cerebrospinal fluid. And the glymphatic system is basically this cerebrospinal fluid that's circulating, but the brain would only allow it to circulate when we sleep. All other tissues in our body can clean itself all the time. The brain can only do it when we sleep. We discovered the glymphatic system about 12 years ago here at University of Rochester. And we know that we made a big discovery because this was not described before. One of the important findings from human studies was that this cleaning process also happens primarily when people fall asleep. So investigators had actually trained the patient to fall asleep in the scanner, and they could see as soon as the patient falls asleep, it activating this fluid flow within the brain. So this is of course really important because we want to use this observation to improve human health. And what we can predict now is that it's absolutely required to sleep to be able to clean your brain. And one of the key questions for us right now, when we have established the importance of sleep, that is to basically discover what type of sleep is most important. I think we all know when we wake up after a good night of sleep. We feel refreshed. That is what is a good sleep and a restorative sleep. And that is actually not defined what that is. So we have very recently published a paper where we suggested that restorative sleep is that you wake up with a clean brain. And you have had a good night of cleaning the brain for all the waste that accumulated when you're awake. So the way I look at that is it's similar to you take your car for the yearly tune-up. And the car drives okay, but after the yearly tune-up, it drives a little bit better, and that is not because anything was changed in the brain. That's because you tighten some screws, you put some oil on, and that is what I believe happened after a good night of sleep. Right now, we actually know that loss of sleep have long-term effect. So if you stay up for one night, it's now shown it takes days, maybe weeks to actually recover completely. At the same time, we know from large studies that poor sleepers, people that sleep 6 hours or less, have a 30% increased risk of developing dementia prematurely. So clearly we need to sleep, and it's clearly linked, poor sleep is clearly linked to early dementia. It looks like the most important for brain clearance is consolidated sleep. The research on the glymphatic system have moved the whole concept of sleep from being something we studied because of memory, because of dream, and so on, to a basic biological phenomenon that's absolutely needed to stay healthy as we age.